In research, understanding data is not only about describing what has already been observed, but also about making predictions and drawing conclusions about larger populations. This is where inferential statistics becomes incredibly important, especially in medical and social science research. It allows researchers to study a smaller group of people and use those findings to make reliable conclusions about a much larger population. In medical research, inferential statistics plays a critical role in testing new medicines, treatments, and healthcare strategies. Imagine scientists conducting a clinical trial to evaluate a new drug for diabetes. It is impossible to test every individual in the country, so researchers study a sample group instead. Using inferential statistics, they analyze the results to determine whether the medicine is genuinely effective or whether the outcome may have occurred simply by chance. This process helps doctors and healthcare organizations make evidence-based decisions that can improve patient care and save lives. The same principle is widely used in social science research. For example, researchers studying the impact of social media on teenage mental health may collect responses from a selected group of students. Inferential statistics then helps them predict whether similar behavioral patterns are likely to exist among teenagers across a wider population. This makes research more practical, efficient, and meaningful for policymakers, educators, and society as a whole. Concepts such as hypothesis testing, probability, correlation, and confidence intervals are all part of inferential statistics. These tools help researchers measure relationships between variables and determine the reliability of their findings. Without inferential statistics, research would remain limited to isolated observations rather than producing conclusions that can influence public health, education, economics, or social policy. Although the calculations can appear complex, the purpose is simple: to transform limited data into broader understanding. In both medical and social science research, inferential statistics helps turn information into informed action, making it one of the most powerful tools in modern scientific investigation.